to all the lactose intolerant people here, I would like to show you something pretty interesting, that you don't need to be a mammal to like drinking milk.
你好，你好。
你好。
Tu veux du lait, mon gars? Oui, mon gars. Another interesting thing is that little sound that she makes every time she's happy, and I'm thinking it means thank you. I think it's pretty interesting to notice that animals have their own words for thank you, because some dogs might shake their tail, but they don't verbalize it. So very interesting how even in the animal world it is necessary to verbalize a thank you. De rien, mon cœur. C'est fini? Oui, mon cœur. That was my bird name, by the way. That's how she calls me. One of her favorite treats is actually olive oil, and whenever she sees it, she becomes quite crazy. And if there's no other way to put her back in the cage, this for sure does it. I find it pretty interesting how she can suck liquids out from a small container like that with her beak, using it like a straw. And I didn't really know that birds could do that. I thought they were scooping liquids out, not sucking like that. C'était bon? That was another thank you. And that was human, give me more.